A very good evening to all of you and welcome to the EduTap YouTube channel. I'm here with a very important announcement for all the aspirants who are preparing for the ICAR, AO and FNAO examination. So the important announcement is that the Tier 1 examination, which was scheduled for 3rd of October, that exam has now been postponed, right? So this exam is now not going to be held on 3rd of October. The notification is now live on the ASRB website, and the notification says that this exam, which was going to be conducted in online mode on 3rd of October 2021, has been postponed due to administrative reasons. When will this exam happen now? This date has not been mentioned, so the date for the exam will be now announced later. So this exam is now indefinitely postponed, and next notification, which will be released by ASRB, will give us the idea when this exam is going to take place. So this is a very important information that you must know. And in addition, it is also mentioned in this notification that at least 15 days before the revised date of the examination, this notification will be there. So we can safely assume that this exam will now not to be conducted till at least of 10th of October 2021, right? So this is a very important update for all the aspirants who are preparing for this examination. We also have now a bit extra time to prepare for this Tier 1 of examination of ICAR. And if you are trying to appear for this examination, if you are preparing for this examination and you are searching for a course for this examination and you want to optimally utilize the extra time that is now available, you can subscribe to the course which is being offered by EduTap. We are offering a early 15 discount. If you use the code EARLY15, you will be getting 15% flat discount on the course which is offered by EduTap. This course is there in two packages, silver and gold package. Silver package only for Tier 1 exam and gold package for both Tier 1 plus Tier 2 examination. If you want more details about the course, you can check out the description box that is given below. And again, signing off on this video, I will remind you that the exam that was scheduled to be conducted on 3rd of October 2021 is now postponed indefinitely, and the next notification will tell us about the next date of the exam. Okay, so keep on preparing and पढ़ते रहिए, बढ़ते रहिए. जय हिंद and जय भारत.